Chota CSS framework is a good styling tool for our website. It is just about 3 KB in minified and gzipped. Welcome to Monimation. I'm Mondi. This is the 8th video in how to create a website series. Today we are going to talk about how to style our website with external CSS. There are lots of CSS frameworks out there to choose from, such as the Big Brothers, Bootstrap, Foundation, Velma, and so forth. They are extremely sophisticated and popular, but they are too heavy and complex for our simple website. Now we choose a micro CSS framework, Chota, as our external style sheet. Chota CSS framework is a good styling tool for our website. It is just about 3 KB in minified and gzipped version. It is customizable and really easy to use. There are 2 methods to embed Chota in our web pages. The first one is to get the zip file of the Chota CSS framework by downloading it from the Chota official website. Scroll down to the Getting Started section. Click on the Download Zip button to download it to your computer. Find your file, unzip it, the minified copy of the CSS file is located inside this folder. Copy this, close it. Back to the web root folder. Click on My Site folder. Create a new folder. Name it CSS. Paste the copy here. Close it. Back to the Sublime Text editor. Click on the Wheels folder. Delete the lines 6 to 7 in the 4 pages. Click on the Includes folder. Choose the header page. Put the link here. And then add a nav element to enclose the 4 anchors. And then remove the dots after the first 3 anchors. Back to the Chota site, scroll down to Components. Under the grid, we choose the Container class to center our body content in our web page. And then click on the Card tab, scroll a bit upward, copy this line to style our nav. And scroll down to Utilities section. Pick the BG Light class. To add a light gray background color to our div. Also add a light gray background color to the footer page. Lastly, we style our page body background color with internal CSS. Refresh the web browser. Let's hover over the tabs to see the results. The second method is to add a link to the CDN instead. Now we comment out the previous link first. And then copy this link and paste it here. Refresh the browser. The second method still works fine, alright? You can choose which method you like. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's done for now. In the next video, we will talk about how to create sticky header and footer in our web page. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.